Vinyl records are making a comeback, and there's no better time to see the increase in vinyl sales than today, Record Store Day. News Channel 15's Randy Speed stopped by a few local music stores in town to see why vinyl records are getting popular again.
Well, this is the 5th year for Record Store Day. It began in 2008, which is also about when vinyl records began to find their way back into the music market. They've been left in boxes for years, but now vinyl records are making their way back onto store shelves.
With vinyl, you could be proud of it. You can flip through it, dig through it, come to a store. It's sort of like the thrill of the hunt. You never know what you're going to find.
Turntable and vinyl record sales have been on the rise the past several years.
30 and 40% bumps in vinyl sales every year, according to the RIAA.
I think people after 10 years of downloading are looking for something that's an alternative, and sometimes things become cyclical, where they kind of go away for a while and come back.
And Record Store Day is a big part of the revolution, putting popular artists of today onto a format once reserved for the classic artists and bands.
We're finding a lot of young people that have discovered vinyl, and once they start buying it, they're looking for these limited editions like we have today, and so it's just broadening and broadening because of that.
People are starting to care about music again, and that's really what this is all about.
Another way vinyl records are getting back into mainstream is by offering MP3s of a record along with the vinyl itself. And more than 300 records were released today. Many were limited editions that would only be available to buy today. Reporting from Studio 15, Randy Spieth, News Channel 15.